English version, class 5, chapter 7, number 6. Here is a chart, 5 students and them height. Number 1, what is the average height of the students? Number B, what is the average height of two tallest students? And number C, what is the difference between the average highest of two tallest student and average highest to shortest students? Then we see number A, what is the average highest students? Then total students average. Then we need to add it all heights. 5 students equal to 142 plus 144 plus 137 plus 146 plus 141 equal to 710 centimeter. Then average 710 divided by 5 equal to 142 centimeter. Then B, what is the average of two tallest student here? Then tallest student height here in Rakhi and Samia. Samia height, then two tallest student 146 and 144 height equal to 146 plus 144 equal to 190, sorry, 290. Here will be 290 centimeter. 290 centimeters. Then the average of two tallest student equal to 290 centimeter divided by 2 equal to 145 centimeter. Then number 3, number C, what is the difference between two highest and two shortest students height average? Then shortest student here, two short 137 and 141 equal to 278 centimeter. Then shortest to average 278 divided by 2 equal to 139 centimeter. Then average of two tallest student, we already got it from B, equal to 145 centimeter. Difference between two equal to 145 minus 139 centimeter equal to 6 centimeter. Thank you.